was hinged on the fact that our motion for bail will be taken.
Hi everyone, just bringing you guys an update on Olamide Thomas' case. Of course, by the time we're waking up here, things have already happened in Nigeria. So I looked up the case and I just got an update. There's a video by News Central that I'll play after this, so you guys hear what the lawyer has to say after they were caught. But basically, they have we did not get the bail granted to Olamide Thomas today, contrary to our expectations. But the lawyer explained what happened, and hopefully by tomorrow, when the case was adjourned to, and when they're actually supposed to start hearing, maybe by tomorrow she'll be granted bail, we hope. But it's unfortunate she had to spend Christmas in incarceration. That is very awful, and I hope she, Tinubu, and the IG of police and the first PRO, I hope they're all very happy that she not only spent Christmas in jail, she also spent her birthday there in prison, just because she expressed herself and she said that these people are not doing well. But anyway, let me not bore you with this story. Listen to what the lawyer has to say, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Olamide being arrested and thrown into prison for expressing her opinion. Also, tell me what you think about this cybercrime law that they're using to witch hunt activists and anybody who has a voice of dissent.
Can you bring us up to speed in the Abiodun Thomas case?
Yeah, well, I'm currently at the Federal High Court in Abuja, where the case is sitting before Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court here. And the case has taken a drastic turn as the prosecutor is asking for more time to prepare for the case. Well, I have the legal counsel representing the defendant, that is the person of Ms. Thomas, who is here in court but can't be shown on the camera because of some bureaucracies and red tapeism. But however, I have the counsel representing the defendant, Dr. S.M. Oyege, who actually was not happy at what went down in court today. He's here to fill us more on what is really in his mind. Good morning, Dr. S.M. Oyege. How are you doing today?
Good morning. Thank you so much. I'm fine.
Yes,
Thank you.
Before the Honorable Justice Emeka Nwite, you expressed your, should I say, disgust at the way the prosecutor handled his presentation of his case, considering this is a high-profile case that is well blown to Nigeria at this particular time. What do you have to say?
Yes, thank you so much. The matter came up today before Honorable Justice Emeka Nwite, and ordinarily the business of today was supposed to be for our motion for bail of the applicant, that is Olamide Abiodun Thomas. You will recall that the matter came up last on the 20th of December 2024, being a Friday. Are we informed that was the day the matter, the defendant was arraigned? And despite that it was a Friday and the proceedings was concluded a little bit late, we informed the court that we are going to prepare, file, and serve our motion for bail on the prosecutor that same day, 20th December. And we live to our word. We were able to prepare, file, and serve the said motion since 20th. In line with the court's directive, because on the last adjourned day, the court said if we file our motion for bail, it will even give us an earlier date, because today was supposed to be for commencement of trial. So we did an application to the court for an earlier date. But either way, we were not able to get an earlier date. So we came to court today prepared that our motion for bail will be taken.
So what happened today?
What happened was that the prosecutor informed the court that he is here to get a copy of our motion. And we informed him, and of course we informed the court, no, that the motion had been served. But that, being that we had an extra copy, we availed the prosecutor an extra copy contrary to his position that they had not been served. Of course, we are all bound by the court's record. The court, my lord, looked at the record and confirmed that indeed the prosecutor or the prosecution had been served with the motion since on the 20th of December 2024. As a matter of fact, we ventilated our remonstrance because the prosecution sought an adjournment, even 24 hours adjournment, to enable them file a counter to the said motion. We ventilated our remonstrance.
Well, you have to break this down for Nigerians so they will understand the giant legal jargon and the likes. So what does this mean for the case?
This means that this is setback because ordinarily we were supposed to have our motion for bail taken. But be that as it may, the prosecutor sought for an adjournment and the matter has now been adjourned to tomorrow, Tuesday, the 31st of December, for hearing of our application for bail and commencement of trial. That's if the prosecution are ready.
Was your hope hinged on the fact that she was going to get bail today and she did not get bail, and you have to come here tomorrow and she has to come all the way from Suleja? Do you feel happy about this entire thing?
Well, like I said, we were not comfortable. That's why we ventilated our remonstrance. But our hope was hinged on the fact that our motion for bail will be taken because it has been filed and served since on the 20th. Bail is at the discretion of the court. The outcome is for my lord to determine. But our concern is we have filed our motion and our concern is to move our motion for bail. The applicant has been in custody since 13th of December and she has been at the correctional center since 20th of December for a bailable offense.
From your point of view, can you tell us what they are charging her to court for?
Well, the complainant in this matter is Inspector General of Police. They are charging the applicant on alleged violation of the Cybercrime Act. Specifically, according to them, according to the prosecutor, they allege that the defendant did a video Facebook broadcast where she defamed and cyberbullied, one, the president's son, that's Sheikh Tinubu, second, the IGP, Mr. Gbotokun, and third, the first PRO, Muyiwa Adeto, or whatever.